can you go that side? I love you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Arosa, and today on Trendy Talks we'll be doing unboxing. Yes guys, also you might hear some mewing in the background because I have cats. So let's get started. So let's go with the small one. This time I have scissors guys, because last time I tried to open it with my nail file and my good nail file literally got spoiled. So let's not be extra and let's just use things that they're meant to be used for. Woo. Okay. So here is the box. So I'll be taking out one product and showing you what exactly it is. Of course, the bill. Okay, so this is, oh yeah, this is pretty. So I got this kajal and it's blue. It's blue. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to. Ooh, can you see the blue? I don't know if you can really see the blue. I'm not sure if it focuses. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, you can see the blue exactly. Oh, now you can see it. So this is a really cool blue. I will show you the swatch later in the video, but this blue is really cute. I really wanted this blue since forever and it was in offer, so I really took the chance and bought it. So I have this craze of applying kajal and eyeliner, because that's the only basic makeup that I put, either kajal or eyeliner, and of course lip balm. That's pretty much it. Then we have the Optimal's Age Revive Milk Cleansing Eye Makeup Remover. So basically it's a cleanser, if you can see. Yeah, so I will be putting up a picture over here probably, and this is the product. So this is actually for my mom. It's her birthday, and wish her happy birthday in the comments. It's actually on Sunday, the day I'm going to release this video, so according to the Parsi calendar of course. But yeah, so this is the face wash that we bought for her, and of course एक गिफ्ट से तो काम नहीं चलेगा. So दूसरा गिफ्ट, this is the Love Nature Exfoliating Shower Gel, and it's a refreshing strawberry and lime. So it's a really cute bottle. I like the bottle, and this is quite affordable, and it's really, oh, it's sealed, can't open it. Birthday gift. But yeah, I'm for sure going to try this from her bathroom. I mean, we'll just rob. Robbing is bad. If it is your mom's and you're using it, ask her. Okay. Then we have the coconut oil. I did open this in my last unboxing video also, and I did speak about it. This is the Love Nature hair oil. It's a coconut oil. So my mom has been using it since 2-3 months now, and trust me guys, the one thing she said was, I apply this in the night, and morning usually when you apply coconut oil, the oil kind of stains your cushion covers, but this really doesn't stain your cushion covers or ruin your pillowcases. So, and of course it is good in the way that it really nourishes her hair and her frizziness has gone down. So the Love Nature coconut oil. Yep. Then next we have a lipstick from the One collection. Guys, say hi to Phoenix. He's a little monster. But yeah, that's in the shade Cranberry Blush. So guys, there are a lot of offers happening since ORIFLAME is celebrating its 25th anniversary this year. So it is giving us alternate days offer. Like every alternate day we have offers that are coming in. So this lipstick is a $5.99 lipstick, which has come for rupees 2.99. Yeah, probably Phoenix is going to break something, but that's okay. So yeah, this is the lipstick. Now let's get started with the second box. Let's open it, let's open it, let's open it. This one is a little heavy because this was my first order for the month, December month. So let's just dive in. Keep an eye on Phoenix also because he's probably going to break something. Okay. So the January catalog is there. So ORIFLAME is introducing baby care products from Jan. So make sure you, if you are a mom and you're watching this video, make sure you go have a look in our Jan catalog. And I will be right back before Phoenix goes and breaks something. And I'm back, guys. Okay, so my grandmom has ordered a few gifts for her daughter-in-law. So, and of course my mom has also ordered some gifts for my mommy. I hope she doesn't see this video before her birthday, and she probably will be seeing this video before her birthday. But anyways, so we have this super amazing cream. This is the Milk and Honey Gold moisturizing cream, sorry, hand and body cream, and it is amazing. It does come sealed, so there is no chance of fake products. So I'm not going to open it. I will probably show it to you guys later. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but yeah, this is the cream, and this is for, again, really cheap, and this goes on for at least 2.5 months, but it is amazing. I mean, probably even more, but it's like a huge bottle, so it really absorbs well. And Phoenix is back. Phoenix! Then we have, guys, the, oh, I should just move this box properly. So then we have the men's North for Men deodorant roll-on, and it does smell good. This is for someone in the family. Now I don't want to really name whom because they might just watch the video and get to know whose surprise it is. But yeah, so this is the deodorant. So then, guys, we have the shower puff material that they use, of the puff, of course. It doesn't really wear out quick. It stays for a long time. Now, guys, we have the foot cream. So this is the Feet Up Comfort avocado and aloe vera overnight moisturizing foot cream. You can have a look. I'm not sure how much it's focusing, but yeah, that's the cream. So again, it's sealed packed, so I'm not going to be opening and showing it to you guys unless I use it. But it has come for someone else, so can't you really use it? So basically this is for nourishing your foot and moisturizing it and keeping it healthy, right? Next is, ooh, I like this one. Next is the HairX Advanced Care Weather Resist Protecting Shampoo. It's for all hair types. Okay, so this shampoo basically removes your, it reduces your frizz. It helps you manage your hair way better than what other shampoos do. So I really can't smell it. I don't even know why I did that. Next up, So we have another shower gel. So this is Love Nature again. It's an exfoliating shower gel. It is an energizing mint and raspberry. So the first one, I'll just show you this first. Yeah, it's a really rich red. I mean, it's matching my top. So yeah, these are the two shower gels, and they're really, I mean, I'm so tempted to use them right now. I probably will go for a shower after this. Now we have the most exciting thing. So ORIFLAME had an offer last month, and since I'm a brand partner with ORIFLAME, we get a lot of activities that we have to complete. And so it is, if you complete a certain amount of bonus points that you make in your level, then you get to avail an activity offer. So last time it was the Milk and Honey Gold offer. So they were giving these 3 products. Imagine, sorry, I'm holding it ulta, but these 3 products for 99 rupees. Can you imagine? 99 rupees, 100 bucks, you get these 3 products. So I will tell you one by one what it is. This is the Milk and Honey Gold Moisturizing Shower Gel. Another shower gel. I am so happy with this offer, and luckily I can open this because it's mine. And oh my god, it smells good. So I think I'm going to use this one first. Woo. Then we have the Milk and Honey Gold Shampoo for shiny and nourished hair. Oh my god, I am in love with this. This offer was crazy, guys. I mean, you have to just finish 150 bonus points, which is like really simple, and you got this for just 99 bucks. That was like a crazy offer. Next is the Milk and Honey Gold Conditioner, again for the same shampoo, the same conditioner. I don't know how much you can see, but yeah, I mean, you can. Oh, I should have just held it at this. But anyway, so I've got these 3 products for 99 bucks. So guys, you can become a VIP customer with ORIFLAME, and if you want to buy good stuff, like these products are crazy amazing. I mean, it just doesn't stop. I mean, this must be like around 1,500, 1,700 ka shopping, and I got so many amazing things. Like this moisturizer is crazy. This deodorant is, I'm sure, going to be long lasting. It says for 72-hour protection. I don't know what my words are. I mean, it's exciting because you really get good offers with ORIFLAME. And of course, I did also last month bring in another wellness, that is the omega-3, and that's my favorite product because it's really helping me. And I will show you the swatch of the eyeliner. So that's the color, guys, that's the pigment, and I'll show it to you once more. I just love how super smooth it is. It's really creamy and really soft, and it has a really amazing blue tinge to it. I like it. It is pretty. So guys, ORIFLAME is going to be giving offers every second day. So if you are interested and want to have a look at the catalog for this month, and you want to buy some personalized Christmas gifts, or just want to give someone something really special, then I would recommend you to give them these products, because these products are completely natural, 100% natural. They do not have any preservatives or colorants, and which is why these products are very effective. And you can hear Phoenix in the background. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this month's unboxing. I hope to see you guys soon, and please like my video, share it with your friends, and wish my mom happy birthday in the comments.